Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rizky Beni Darmawan. I am a student from UIE. I'm here to present a video resume from the first to the seventh meeting in the strategic management. Strategic management. Strategic management is the process of setting goals, procedures, and objectives in order to make a company or organization more competitive. Typically, strategic management looks at effectively deploying staff and resources to achieve these goals. The next slide. Competitive advantage. Competitive advantage refers to factors that allow a company to produce good or service better or more cheaply than its rivals. This factor allow the productive entity to generate more sales or superior margin compared to its market rivals. For example, a business may have a competitive advantage due to its brand image, technological expertise, customer service, or a distribution network. And then in this slide, we have Netflix case study. Netflix began to attract competition as several players such as Comcast, Hulu, Amazon, and many others entered this market. In order to counter the developing competitive of the industry, CEO of Netflix, Reed Hastings, has focused on a number of initiatives, such as focusing majority of the attention, resources, and core capabilities on online streaming service, controlling streaming content costs by partnering with content provider and licensing. Now the CEO needs to think about the next steps and how its functional and competitive strategy need to be developed to remain competitive in the industry. The best analysis is in detail the prime factor which influence the macro environment of the media and entertainment industry. For Netflix, significant factor or influencer comprised of political, environmental, social, economic, technological, legal, and environmental aspects impacting sustenance and growth of Netflix. In the ever competitive online streaming content industry determines strategic decision the company must adapt to thrive and growth. It must invest in cutting-edge technology to offer seamless streaming experience to a rapidly surging audience to gain competitive advantage over its rival Amazon and Hulu Plus. In the next slide, types of strategy. Strategy can be formulated at three levels or types. Corporate strategy. Corporate strategy concerns itself with the entirety of the organization on a more or less abstract level, where decisions are made with regard to the overall growth and direction of a company. Corporate strategy are arguably the most essential and broad-ranging strategy level within organizational strategy. The various types of company strategies include stability, expansion, retrenchment, and combination strategy. Number 2, business strategy. Business strategy is a clear set of plans, action, and goals that outlines how a business will compete in a particular market with a product or number of products or service. The various types of business strategies include purpose generic, cost leadership, differentiation, focus, and tactic tactical strategies. And the last, functional strategy. Functional strategy is the approach a business functional takes to achieve corporate and business unit objectives and strategies by maximizing resource productivity. It deals with the relatively re- restricted plan that provide the objective for a specific business function. Business function. The example of functional strategies in this area are product development, diversification, and market penetration. And next, we have Harley Davidson case study. Harley Davidson is a brand name for a type of large, powerful motorcycle. Harley Davidson is a US motorcycle manufacturer founded in Milwaukee, Wisconsin in 1903 by William S. Harley and the Davidson brothers. Harley Davidson motorcycles often enjoy a cult status in motorcycle circles. No other motorcycle embodies the American dream to the same extent as a Harley Davidson. The core competence of Harley Davidson is inventory management and order processing, whereby the company strictly organizes the inventory in its plants using the just-in-time policy. In this policy, a request for an inventory part is passed through a signal in the form of a ticket, and a reply through the provision of the requested part is made. This removes the overproduction of certain parts and ensures that the quality of the motorbike is sustained. It also improves the company's return on investment as it also saves on such as warehousing. And next, business strategy. To simply, business strategy is a clear set of plan, action, and goals that outline how a business will compete in a particular market with a product of or number of product or service. A business strategy must take into account a number of factors including the market competitor and the business environment, as well as the company's structure, strengths, and weaknesses. It should also be flexible enough to handle change. So, any business strategy must be flexible, adaptable, and anchored in up-to-date research. Devising good business strategy involves a number of key elements: leadership vision, culture, strategic marketing plan, management, system, and research. And next, Tesla case study. Tesla is an innovative company engaged in the automotive sector. Tesla Motor is an innovative company whose mission is to reduce global warming. Tesla sustainability business plan seeks to promote social and environmental responsibility through innovation and shared value, while also producing millions of dollars in profit. And next, Tesla Motors changed its name to Tesla Inc. in 2017 to show that Tesla continues to invest in research and development. They are not only focused on the electric car industry but are now also more focused on the world technological development thing because they believe it will be benefit the company's future. So we are finally at the end of this video. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.